Greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Today we're gonna be doing exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.2, of course, from student A's perspective, because this is our very lame solution out of all the ones we're gonna have. So let's jump on to the question itself. This is the textbook we're actually using in case you're watching this channel for the very first time, and chapter 2 is actually on page 92. So let's get on to it. Here we go. So here's the question. We are required to compute the volume of a cylinder. So the question simply says what we are required to do is to actually write a program that reads in the radius and the length of a cylinder and computes the area and the volume using the following formulas. As you guys can see, they also gave us a sample run. Okay, now let's get on to our IDE. Okay, I've already created a project and I've already created a class called exercise 2.2a. So now let's get our hands dirty with the coding itself. So this is pretty straightforward. We're simply gonna declare a variable, call it red for radius, and the second one call it len for length, and then we'll simply prompt a user to enter the radius and length of a cylinder. And we simply keep those on the variables we already created. All what we're gonna need is a scanner. Call it scanner. Of course, you can call it anything. Equals to new scanner, and you'll be reading from the keyboard. So we simply say system.in. Now let's try to import the scanner class. Okay, with that out of the way, let's close the scanner here. If you don't write this line over here, you will get a warning, which is annoying if you ask me. So once we create a scanner, we simply read the values of both the radius using a scanner.next. You guys have got to be used to this, because we've been working with the scanner for a pretty while. So I'm assuming you know what I'm actually doing here. It has been quite a while since we've been working with the scanner. So once we do this, this is the part where we actually do computation. Let's look at the formula. It simply says radius multiplied by pi. So we're simply gonna go red times red multiplied by math.pi. That's all. Now our length, our volume, will simply be area multiplied by len. Now let's display the output. This is pretty straightforward, you guys. As you can see, we're just gonna go the area of, or let's just go the area is simply A. That's all. Let's use print line here instead of print. And lastly, we go system.out.print len, and we simply go the area, the length, the volume, what the heck is volume? The volume is what we stored on the variable called vol. That's pretty much it, you guys. Without any waste of time, let's hit the run button and see what we get. Let's simply put this input they decided to put here. It's 5.5 and the 12. This is our solution. As you can see, you guys, these numbers are the same as what we got right here. However, we can tell that the very second one is actually it has 1 decimal point, and the first one has 4 decimal points. So that's what we're gonna be working on our next tutorial. So cheers, you guys. Take care. See you on the next tutorial. I'm gone.